the best machine on this planet Earth is nothing but only the human brain. Chat, as you know, it is nothing but only discussion, two-way communication, basically a neural network. Now, what is neural network? That information is being used by a particular method. I believe that this question is there in many persons' mind, that how ChatGPT works. And the way ChatGPT has revolutionized the way we think, the way we work, is no doubt amazing. And the good part is that a common man is able to use it very comfortably, in a very friendly manner. So that is no doubt a wonderful thing about ChatGPT. So let's go step by step and let us decode the name of ChatGPT. So chat, as you know, it is nothing but only discussion, two-way communication between two persons. So chat means this. We normally say that let's chat, or chat on tea, or chat on chai, something like that. So chat means conversation. Now the last three alphabets, GPT, these are technical terms. And G stands for generative, P stands for retrained, and T stands for transformer. Now what is generative? So meaning of generative is that it is not very specific. It is general in nature. And then there is another dimension or another meaning of this term generative. And the implied meaning is that it is based on that information which is generally available in public domain, where it is not hidden. For example, Facebook, Instagram, whatever information is there, it is available. Wikipedia, and lot many articles, newspapers. So all those things are in public domain. And that information is being used by a particular method. We will come to that method, that how it works. Now the middle term, pre-trained. So what happens, these algorithms or these methods are first trained on some data. Say for example, somebody wants to become a swimmer so that he can compete, or he can do swimming. So he has to be trained. So he goes there, he goes day 1, day 2, day 3. First day is not very impressive, he's scared, then he goes second day also. And slowly he becomes comfortable, and a day comes when he becomes master of swimming. This is training of that particular person. Same way the method, the algorithm is trained, pre-trained. It means when you are using ChatGPT, you need not to train. The model is already trained. And the last term, T, this is transformer. Now generally when we use the term transformer, a common man thinks that near the roadside there is one electrical equipment, big one, and they understand that transformer means this electrical equipment. In this context, it is not that. Now it is basically a neural network. Now what is neural network? So the background of neural network is, since beginning, scientists, mathematicians, engineers, they are trying to make models which are able to classify or predict with higher accuracy. And the best machine on this planet Earth is nothing but only the human brain. So scientists and engineers were always trying to mimic human. Then they had built a model, a mathematical model, which mimics human brain. And that's why sometimes it is called artificial neural network. A neural network, it means that it is a network of neurons. Our human brain is having many neurons. So this is the heart of the entire algorithm, neural networks. Now I would like to give you one more example, that say, for discussion's sake, Manish works in EIMR. Now, this model will learn this sentence. And now here one thing is to be mentioned, that the machine will understand, or neural network will understand only numbers. It will not understand the words. So first this sentence is translated or transformed into some numbers, and these numbers are then processed. In neural network what happens? There are three layers: input layer, hidden layer and output layer. In input layer, that input data goes. Hidden layer, the data is processed with some mathematical treatments, and then it goes to output layer. At output layer, the output is compared with what it should be. If it is not very near to that, then the correction happens within the layers, and the correction happens through weights. All the neurons are connected within each other, and this way a network is formed, and all connections are having some numbers which we call weights. So these weights are updated, which we call that model is learning, or when the optimized weights are achieved, we say the model has learned the subject. So this is the way neural network works. And with the way I had given the example, a person goes every day for learning swimming. Same way, this model, neural network, will learn this particular sentence again and again, so that the system or the model or the algorithm memorizes it. And once this learning is completed, and learning means now the model has memorized it, and once this is done, and if somebody will ask a question where Manish works, as the model knows Manish works at EIMR, the model will reply that Manish works in EIMR. So this is the way the chatbot or the ChatGPT replies. And you can very easily imagine that this the data which was used as input data for training of this model was humongous, huge, superbly huge, because the entire data of the world which is available on public domain was scanned and used, learned, again learned. So many times the learning happened of the same data. Imagine how many resources were required for doing that. I hope that now it is clear to you that how ChatGPT works. I am just recapping the points which I have mentioned. Number one, that it uses information which is available in public domain. It is going to be humongous, huge. Model learns. Now imagine when we were in school or we were in college, just one book, one subject, it is very difficult for us to learn. And here ChatGPT had learned the entire information, all the information available in public domain. Such a humongous, such a mammoth task ChatGPT had done. So input information is available in public domain. Model learn through neural network, and neural network is the core, is the heart of transformer, which is the actual algorithm for this. I hope that it is now crystal clear to you that how ChatGPT works in a very, very broader manner.